Hello all, Serge is back. It's been a while since I posted my last video. I want to thank everybody who has joined my channel. Now we have 200 people in our community. Thank you. Let's finally move from alpha games. And if you may know, nowadays markets are moving up and down pretty fast. So I decided to search through Bitcoin mining apps. Here's what I have today. It is called Bitcoin Mining Crypto Miner. The app is saying the following. First, you will be passively earning Bitcoin. Second, you will withdraw Bitcoin quickly and easily. Third, there are over 1 million happy Bitcoin miners. Let's get in. A lot of stuff is going on here. Basically, here are several things which earn you money. Ads, free contracts, offers, and monthly subscriptions. First thing is ads. You simply watch a 30-second ad and you will get a 24-hour contract. Next thing is a free contract, which you can get every 8 hours. In the offers section, you will see that here they provide you some games that you need to install and complete some tasks, but I haven't tried this. Now we get to monthly subscriptions. They have a lot of them, starting from $9 per month and up to $300 per month. So as you can see that after watching 41 ads, I bumped my speed up to 217.59 GHz per second, which is the speed you get if you pay $9. So I decided to leave this speed and check how much of Bitcoin it can earn in the span of 24 hours. And fast forward, I earned this amount, which is 0.70997176 Bitcoin. And then I asked ChatGPT to calculate how much time I need to spend to earn the minimum amount, which is 0.000799998 Bitcoin. And the calculation is pretty amazing. ChatGPT said, to get to the minimum amount using this speed, I would need 8,026 days. And also they have a fee that is 0.0003999, which is half of the minimum amount. Overall, if we convert this amount to dollars, having the Bitcoin price at 70k, we will get $28. Totally amazing, right? You need to spend 8,000 days to get $28. Okay, you may think I will get the most expensive subscription, which is $300 a month, and then I will be earning much more. Well, partially you'll be right, but the dollar amount you will be earning will only be $37. You will pay $300 and then they will give you back $37. Great deal, huh? I bet that they are not even mining Bitcoin, but just showing you the rolling numbers. So do not get trapped by this app. This is totally fake.